Geographic Solutions has been the nation's leading provider of software solutions for more than 30 years. We have launched workforce development systems in over 40 states and U.S. territories. Our systems are currently serving a collective population of over 204 million individuals across the country. Did you know we are the developers behind Employ Florida, and we are based right here in the Tampa Bay area? We first introduced our flagship Virtual One-Stop solution in 1998. Virtual One-Stop was selected to power the Employ Florida system, which has been the state's #1 employment resource for over 18 years. On a day-to-day basis, the system is utilized by staff members working at over 100 career source locations, creating a unified network and common database for all of the state's reporting efforts. In recent years, Geographic Solutions expanded the career and service delivery tools available within Virtual One-Stop and rebranded as VOS Sapphire, which brought new and exciting functionality for contactless meetings, remote work, case management, and hiring. Those no-touch options were crucial to maintaining high levels of service delivery during the pandemic. But the team at Geographic Solutions didn't stop there. Soon we will launch the next generation, VOS Sapphire AI, a groundbreaking version that will use intuition and predictive patterns to enhance the job search experience for all users. We invite you to visit us at the 2023 Florida Workforce Professional Development Summit to learn more about how VOS Sapphire's newest functionality can heighten Florida's job market.